I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F150 starter. First, ensure your workspace is safe and you have all necessary tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a jack. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery to prevent electrical hazards. Then, safely lift the front of your truck using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. This provides crucial access and ensures your safety throughout the repair. Now locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission. You'll see two main electrical connections, a large battery cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Carefully disconnect both of these. Next, use the appropriate wrench to remove the two mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Once these bolts are out, you can gently pull the old starter free from its housing. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into its housing, ensuring it aligns correctly. Insert and tighten the two mounting bolts securely, but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the electrical wires, starting with the smaller solenoid wire, then the larger battery cable. Make sure all connections are clean and tight to ensure proper electrical flow and prevent future issues. Finally, carefully lower your Ford F150 back to the ground. Reconnect the negative battery cable you disconnected earlier, ensuring it's tight. Before starting the engine, do a quick visual check of all your connections to confirm everything is secure. Now, turn the ignition to test your new starter. It should crank the engine smoothly. If it does, you're all set. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.